All right, so you're going to need these jumbo little papers, and you're going to need your perm rods. So the first thing you want to do is pull the hair out. You don't want too much in there. You want just enough. And you're going to take one of the papers and you're going to put it underneath and put one on top. Then you're going to squirt it with a little water, grab your rod, and you're going to alternate them going counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise when you put them on there so that the curls are going different ways. And then you're going to crisscross it and you're going to go up and down the roller. You see how she's moving her hand? And then when you get to the very top, you're going to put that little cap in. Bam, Bob's your uncle. And now we got that placed on the head. And you just got to keep doing that. We're going to unroll this one because we're supposed to do a white one. And we did a pink one. So we got to start again. We're going to go ahead and put one underneath, one on top, right? Squish them down. And then we're going to grab our white roller because we're going white, pink, right? Going to squirt her and smush it in there. And then again, we're just going to roll her right on up. And as you do that, you're going to go kind of crisscross it a little bit from one end of the roller to the other. And you want it pretty good and tight. Then when you get it to the top, you put your cap in. Bam, Bob's your uncle. That's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.